Hello, my name is Miss Briosha Jackson. I am the sixth grade ELA and social studies teacher, and I would like to welcome you to my classroom. Before we get started, I would like to go over our agenda for today. So first, we'll help you understand the work your child will be doing this semester. We'll also explain what is expected of your child, and I will also share some information about how you can support your child's learning. First, we'll look at curriculum goals. Our curriculum goals this year is to ensure that the students gain an adequate exposure to a range of texts and tasks. Rigor will also be infused in this course to ensure that students are reading increasingly complex texts. Some things we'll be looking at is reading literature as well as reading informational texts. We will be implementing key ideas and details, crafting structure, integration of knowledge and ideas, and a range of reading and level and text complexity. We'll also be adding some of our social studies standards to ensure that our students are well-rounded and prepared for the MAP testing at the end of the year. Our goal for the school is to get to a 442, which requires each student to grow at least one level, but we're also trying to shoot for the stars. So we're also shooting for proficiency. If you would like more information on the standards we'll be teaching this year, please click the link posted here. Class information. You'll find your child's work posted in Schoology daily. Your child will always have the opportunity to make up any missing assignments while they were out of class or just any assignments they missed in general. On Schoology, you will find Master Connect assignments and some written assignments as well. Your child will receive 2 grades per subject area weekly. So they will receive 2 grades for ELA and they will also receive 2 grades for social studies. Your child will have homework daily. If they do not have a worksheet or written work, they will be responsible for completing at least 20 minutes of Lexia a day. Report cards will go out October 19th. If you would like to schedule a parent-teacher conference, feel free to contact our office staff and they will shoot me an email with your request and I'll schedule it as soon as possible. Take some time to review the classroom rules. At this time, I would like to thank you all for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me. My email is listed here as well as the school contact number. If you do need to contact me via phone, they will get the message to me. Again, if you need anything, just do not hesitate to contact me. You have a great day. Bye-bye.